Yo, yo, yo. That's where I wanted to be. Great. Great. How's it going, everybody? How's it going? Ugh. Okay, it was compressing the water texture. Okay, so like this works. However, when we put a frickin' gem on it, it doesn't work. Oh, but that time, interesting. In the level I was playing, it failed a different way. There we go. It failed like that. Whoops. So maybe it just depends on who's there in the initialization. It's random. Well, maybe not totally. Okay, so we be debugging this. We be debugging this. If my innie made my games, would my outie be happy? You don't understand my life. I basically do video games with my whole life, with some short breaks to go dancing and stuff. First stream while not in Joe Biden's America. That is true. Let me turn on some light here. I mean, did you ever think we would get here? Did you ever think that this would happen? It's amazing. Let's hope we're not in for standard political disappointments. Chatter thinks Joe Biden was running America. No, Chatter doesn't think that. It's just we all know that's the euphemism for what was going on. Kamala Harris's America would have been the same as Joe Biden's America. We all know this. She's worse. I mean, maybe. But we don't have to know. for at least 4 years. Probably never. Because hopefully we're getting President Vance in 2028. I would be fine with Vance in 2028 and 2032, and then we'll get the first female president, Vance, in 2036 and 2040. That would be a pretty good 20 years of America right there. Right, and then Barron Trump is old enough to be president. That's a good point. So, like, it could be a pretty good run. You know what I'm saying? See how well he does as vice president? I mean, the bar for vice president is not very high. And it's weird. It's only recently that we started pretending like the vice president is really important, actually. Like, it's actually very rare that we ever had a vice president that, like, tried to do anything. Like, I guess Al Gore was that during the Clinton administration. He tried to do some stuff. But, like, usually the vice president is just there in case the president dies. Like, that's what it is. You don't trust Peter Thiel. What does that have to do with anything? Have you listened to any of Peter Thiel's interviews? I think he's pretty honest when he says things. Vice president is like second man in charge. Not really. The vice president does not have very much power. Okay. The Speaker of the House has more power than Vice President. Right? Like, the President has all the power of the executive branch. And it's a weird thing. Okay, so here's the thing. Early in American history, the way this worked was that the President and Vice President tended to be from opposing parties. And that was how the ticket worked. And you got, like, kind of a compromise. And whoever won president, like, really was, in charge. But he always had someone arguing with him about everything all the time. And then at some point, we just kind of changed the way that worked. And president and VP have been from the same party. And it is how it is. So, yeah. Peter Thiel fueled Vance's career. Sure. And why is that a bad thing? Is the VP briefed on everything? That's a good question. I assume the answer is yes. But I don't actually know. Am I satisfied with the first day of the presidency? Hasn't even been a full day. Yes, I am satisfied so far. I am not satisfied with this gameplay code not working correctly. That's really what I'm not satisfied about. Did they change that after Lincoln was assassinated? I don't remember when the change happened. I'm not that much of a history person. All right. Anyway. Oh, look, we've still got the debugger open. on the compiler. Oh, I guess I have unchanged compiler stuff on this computer, right? Let's see. Let me remind myself of what I was doing there. Oh, geez. What was I? Oh, yeah. Okay. We were working on this on stream, I think. I don't know. We're not going to worry about it right now. We are working on the gameplay code, and we're gonna go to we want to break in get breadth first support stack or whatever that's called, but the problem is it's kind of annoying because we're going to call that for like everything. What's it called? Add breadth first support moves. So I have two things. I could just set a breakpoint in there and fight my way through it, which I guess is the right thing, because we can actually see when it's a Lily move triggering it. And it'll only be like 5 or 6 moves. That's my hope anyway. Let's try that. I think it's in here. Okay. So we'll do this. So probably this will go off even when I walk. Yeah. Let's actually do this. We're going to undo. We're going to slow down time. Okay. Now we're going to put this break. This might not make us that much faster, but all right. So this is probably for the stone again. Let's look. Singles. Craft single 8. There's none? What's the point of that? Okay. All right, so this one has a move. That's the skipping stone, so we don't actually want that one. This is probably also skipping stone. Yes, we don't want that one. Okay, Lily move. So what is the purpose of this is that we're supposed to look at all the entities supported by this Lily and move them. Now, let's just see how it comes out. So we're doing this. God, this is so slow, dude. It's fine. At some point, we'll speed it up. You just need a hash table of, who's supported by who. And we do this kind of query a number of times, so it's really worth it. All right. So let's just go there or there, depending on. All right. Who is this? It's the gem slot. I could barely see at the edge. Yeah, okay, so we've got the slot. And we've got the gem. Okay, this is good. Because this is easier to debug than something where you only one of them has supported by ID set. Because then you have to go search for other code who would have set that and say, why didn't it activate? So this is good. We're getting both of them. So, and then that should be it. Yes. So our supported should have two things. It does. And it's the two things that we want. All right. So now this one is the slot. Gem slot. All right. In another transaction. Okay, that won't. I don't think this will do anything, but we will step through it. Okay, nothing for that transaction. Okay, yes, that didn't do anything. All right. Is this guy already in this transaction? I don't think so, but let's see. There's only one, and it's 337, which is going to be the lily. All right, there we go. We did nothing. This continue E would have continued the outer loop here. Okay. So we're adding this to the move attempts, which is what we would like to see. That's fine. Now we're on to the next thing. Now we're on to the gem. Here's the thing. Sometimes we were having one of them be supported and the other one fall randomly. So that looked like it did the right thing. Maybe it did, and maybe this time the socket was going to get carried, right? But let's find out. Okay, also, we're just going to double check that this doesn't do anything. It didn't. Okay. Also, this won't do anything. Great. So we make this move info. Okay, so it did it for both of them. All right, so now we're at the attempts array, which should have two things in them. We saw it happen, but it's good to double check these when you're debugging because, if you skip around really fast or something, if something weird happened that you didn't expect, you might be assuming something that isn't true. And, when there's a bug, it's usually because there's something happening that you didn't expect when you wrote the code, right? So it's good to double check these things. Would I ever switch to the red debugger? Sure. I mean, I haven't tried it yet. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. Oh, maybe can go fails. I didn't consider that. Let's see. What does result say? Okay, the socket can go to the next square, which I would expect. So we're going to add the move. Let's check the move info. It should be +1 in X. Yep. Yep. There could be all sorts of weird stuff happening. Wait, what? 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 Okay, this is just cosmetic, but like, this could be a totally other bug, right? Let's just see why it says this. Why do you think there's a floor fence out in the middle of the water? That shouldn't be. I think this is just the debugger being weird. Yeah. Okay, so it should have shown the cursor on this or something, but it showed it on there. But that's fine. Okay, we're not... I was like, oh my God, we have a totally other weird bug. All right, so we added a move. Can this go? It thinks the gem cannot go. Why does it think the gem cannot go? This is our problem. Let's make sure it's the gem, but it is, but I'm just making sure it's the gem. All right. So this is checking if anybody else in our transaction is going to the same square. This is probably what misfires. All right, so we should have one of us is flat and the other one is not flat. Okay. If other flat and not moved flat, continue. Okay, so we skip that. That's great. Wait, what? What is this? Sorry. Wait, the gem slot is not flat? What? This is scary because if we change this, who knows what else is going to happen. Okay, so for some reason, gem slot is not in is flat. So that's an oversight. I don't know what... I don't remember what I put that in for. European cores. Trump coin going down. I sold, man. I sold at 55. So I made like 3.5 or 4 times my money. Hey, there we go. Dude, Gravity's Rainbow has so many good things in it. I don't know why we're not starting with power, but that's not necessary for this one level. All right, so we need to test. I mean, it looks like it's behaving normally. You know, it's not moving with the lily pad, but we'll work on that. Yeah, dude, I should have sold earlier because I woke up when it was at like 78. And then I went back to sleep, so I didn't see it going down. Like I woke up exactly at the top and I could have sold at the top. You're holding still. Yeah, maybe it'll go back up. I don't know. Is this a debug build? Yes, but it's like not drawing anything. So why would the frame rate be bad if we're like not drawing very much? I mean, what? Trump coin's still around 30, right? And you said you bought in at 4. So you could still sell for 7x. Do I always do dev work in silence? Yeah, like back when I was in college and after that even, I would play music, but at some point I stopped because I think it just gets in the way. Actually, of deep thought, but I don't know. Gonna get that Melania coin. Dude, it was so annoying buying Trump coin that I just didn't even look into how to buy Melania coin. I was just like, because also by the time I saw Melania coin, it had already finished its initial up. Like you got to get the meme coin on the initial up, right? You don't like buy it later and hope it goes up. You got to get it. Got to get it on the ramp in, right? And I didn't do that for Melania coin. You're up 7x. Yeah, that's still better than I did, right? I only did like around 4x or a little less than that. You know, I made this programming language using games as the use case. That's why the original video about it was called a programming language for games. What if I made a programming language for meme coins? What would that look like? Aside from the Ethereum bytecode language, whatever the hell that is. I guess Solana also has one, right? I'm tempted though, because I wish I understood classical music better than I do, and I wish I had more experience in it. So like maybe if I'm just ignoring classical music, but I play a ton of it in the background, I'll just absorb it by osmosis from all the hours that I programmed. That's not a bad idea, maybe. Or not a bad idea to try. I don't know how it would work out. Still happy for my 4x. Yeah, I dumped not a lot of money in, relative to how much money I have to deal with every day, but I dumped, you know, some money in. So the 4X came out substantial. I must be rich now. Yeah, we were just talking about that. I mean, I didn't put that much money in, but I made 4X off it. I didn't get in early enough to really make bank. Rewrite ETH so it doesn't cost $20 to do a transaction. I mean, what are those servers usually written in? They can't be in JavaScript, right? They've got to be in or Python. They've got to be in like C or something, right? How's Florida? I am not in Florida. Python, what? Why is it in Python? That's like the stupidest thing ever, if that's true. The thing that runs the virtual machine, what is that in? Nobody would write a virtual machine. Well, I won't say nobody, but it's not a good idea to write a virtual machine interpreter in Python. I'm sure such things exist. Yeah, I sold. It's a meme coin, dude. What? Why would anyone have diamond hands on a meme coin? The language is called Solidity for the contracts. Yeah. The only thing you diamond hands is Bitcoin. I could see diamond handsing like Solana or Ethereum, but so I don't think cryptocurrency makes any sense at all in the way that it's being talked about. So I wouldn't diamond hands any of them, but I don't know. Maybe Bitcoin still will go up another 100x. Who knows? Certainly not me. Does C++ hurt going back to all the time? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay. So I just want to play around with a couple other levels that have gems and sockets on them. And then we'll hope I didn't break anything. Let's just see what's in here. Okay, this is regular promised one. Are there two gem sockets in this room? What is going on? Is that fallout from the change I did? It doesn't. Everything else looks normal. Added gem socket. Oh, I see. Let's play it then. I get what he's saying. So he's saying, hey dude, you can't do this yet. You gotta do this. Okay. Yeah, I think I agree with that decision. You know, I think we were scared and put that overworld unlock too early. I think we should change that. What do I want to be doing? Orange beam. Oh, there's nothing on this screen. Lol. Lol, 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 lol. Wait. Okay, I missed the yellow. All right. All right, we got our gem. We got our gem. Now that's kind of just a dick move there. I don't know why we do that, but okay. Anyway. All right. I mean, it's working fine. Oh, wait. Dang it. What was this again? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we have Green Beam Express. Well, where's my gems at? Oh, yeah. Okay, anyway, it's working. This is also working. I don't know what's going on with the particles on the left there. Open, boop, 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 boop. Okay, great. No sockets that we maneuver. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. All right. Okay. Fix the gem socket problemo. All right. So there's one other problemo that I wanted to look at tonight. That's 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. The other one... Bug multiple artifacts is the name of the level. All right. All right, so we have wand and torque. So that did not zap. We have wand and prism. That did not wand. So basically it's interoperability with wand is the problem. All right. Okay. Okay, use magic. Okay. So this is a very old comment, and stuff has changed a lot since I wrote this. All right. So why, if we're doing the use magic promised one, okay, let's see what 3 and 2 do. So 2 does a turn toward with a B stationary. Okay, so that is fine. And promise 3 also does a B stationary on that. All right. So we could flag these just so that we know what we are looking at. So we could make a flag that's just for the gameplay code. Because what we want to do is we want to combine these. All right. We want to combine these into one action. One action Jackson. All right. What's the design reason why you don't hold down arrow key to walk? You can do that. It's just you go a little slower if you do that right now. And the thing is, it's also different for your brain. Like if you're just counting out the squares and going that many, then it just feels different to move that way in a puzzle game. Like, oh, I want to go to that square over there. That's 3 north and 2 east. So you can tap that really fast, and then your character is catching up to what you did, right? What's the move transaction parameter? It's the transaction that we are adding to. That's not a normal pattern. It's something very specific for this game. Okay. Yeah, we're launching the Sokoban meme coin, and it has blockchain transactions. All right, so we're going to go to single move, which has got some flags. I see at least one empty one. All right, so we're going to call this that. And we're going to go there for all 3 of these. On the target object. All right, and then in Magic Push Scan, we do a bunch of stuff. Where we get the zap targets, and then we make moves. Make default teleport. All right. So we're not doing anything with that flag yet. Dude, the European cores are killing me. What's going on? What's going on, European cores? Oh my goodness. All right. So we added the flag. Now, the reason I'm going to add the flag is because we're going to say find existing stationary wand, torque, or prism move. And we're not going to do anything. We're not going to do anything with this yet. All right. If old single, well, we're going to do cowabunga oriented programming. That's what we're going to do. Game report, cowabunga wand, because this is when we're using the wand. I just want to make sure that we see this, right? Okay. So here, if we do that one, we're cowabungaing the torque. And if we do this one, cowabungaing the prism. And basically, well, we want to see one or two of these, depending on which of those tests that we are running, which, oh, I forgot the name of the level. We'll figure that out in a second. We didn't put it in our file. All right, we haven't made this function. If it doesn't have the flag, all right, return null. Okay, single move. All right. Dude, the European cores. Oh my God. Okay, 69, nice. Light. Probably also on the third one is a problem. Maybe. Dude, look at how long this takes. Why did Intel sell me this crap? All right. So this level was called bug multiple artifacts. We will set up to start there. That won't take effect here, so we'll do it, paste it. All right. I'm gonna close this window. We got too many windows. It's Microsoft, too many windows. All right, reset. Boom, boom. Zap. Okay, we did not. We did not get a cowabunga. I am very sad about that. Okay, we got one there. We did not get one. So wand goes last. Maybe it's not a stationary move. Let's see. Oops. It is. Okay. Let's, wait, did I even put the stationary? Continue, that's French, continue. All right, so we're gonna go there. Activate. And we're gonna break here. cowabunga-oriented programming is no guarantee of success. No, and in fact, that's why cowabunga-oriented programming is good in the first place. In fact, the whole point of it is that there's no guarantee of success, right? Because, oh, that's our old breakpoint. Because the whole point of cowabunga-oriented programming is to make sure you see the cowabunga. All right? Okay, transaction. Single moves. 1. Well, let's look. Single. I would guess the flags aren't set, but I don't know why that would be the case. Flag 0. What? Okay, so we'll set a breakpoint there. Wait, why do I have a breakpoint there? I am so confused right now. I wanted a breakpoint here. Anyway. Okay, wait, now I'm really confused. Because... Okay, hold on. Let's just clear it out. Reset. Boom. All right. So we are going to torque first. Okay, that makes sense. Single. We just set the flag. There's the flag. Okay. Now, is this in fact a pointer to the memory inside the transaction as we expect? Wait, 2? 2? All right, because our breakpoint was in the wrong place. Wand, torque, or prism. Stationary. Okay. So we did that. We're going to turn toward on that. Great. We get turning or wand, torque, or prism. Great. Awesome. Why didn't we go to the wand? What? What? Okay, well that explains some things. Wait, what? Okay. Inventory flags, wand or torque, right? So we won't do anything there. We will do something there. So we did the torque. We play the sound effect, we return true. So now changed is true. But that shouldn't affect anything here. Maybe we're scanning. Okay, we got a zappable, which we should have. Okay, we're clearing this out. So basically, we're just sort of saying if you're trying to zap something, yeah, that's intended to prevent weird races with like other moves that are happening in the game. Oh, not entity flags. It's not entity flags. What are you talking about? It's just flags. It's flags, guys. All right. Hey. Okay, that was weird. It like rotated and it rotated back. Why did that happen? So, oh, because we're right. Because now we're doing both moves, right? So our thing about the reason we were finding the old move is so we can replace some properties of the old move, right? So here's what we're going to do. We're now going to do... Okay, wait, we gotta no check in these, our cowabungas, so we remember to replace them. Cowabunga. Oh boy, I'm yawning. I am tired. Okay, this is actually bad. Okay, we're going to do this. We're just going to do that. Okay. This one's more complicated. Because, all right. Move info is telly.start position. Okay. What else do we need to kind of monkey patch here? Because we're combining these things. I don't know. Let's see how this goes. Right. So now the thing is, see, it's rotating. The problem is not that it's rotating back now. The problem is there's a thing called post-teleport theta. That now that we're making this a teleport, gameplay code, guys. Gameplay code set post teleport theta. Oh, we want turn toward. Right? Isn't that what we call? Turn toward. Turn toward. Sokoban. Sokokan. I was like, what's wrong? Turn toward. All right. Oh, it's just turning theta target. All right. All right. If single dot flags set post teleport theta, right? That's what that's called. European cores, go European cores. Dang it. Oh, move info. Okay. Hey. Boom. All right. How about this one? Boom. Boom. All right. How about this one? Seems to work. Fixed artifact combos. All right. Now, it turns out, though, there was one. I thought those were the two bugs we were going to do tonight, and then I was going to be done. It turns out there was one other bug related to the gem socket, but different. The gem socket itself had two bugs, and I noticed this when I went back to the email. Oh, we got to remove our cowabungas. Remove. Thank you, cowabungas. Thank you for your service. Now, bug gem slot on Lily is going to be the thing. All right, done. Great. See, when we make a video game, we try to actually fix the bugs before we release the video game. I mean, I know that's a weird idea. But we try to do that. We try to actually play our game and see what the bugs are and fix them. Okay, I think that bug got automatically fixed or something, because what he was reporting was that the... Okay, well, there's a different bug, which is, why are we not starting powered here? All right. But the thing about depowering when we move is correct. We are depowering the room when we move. Let's put a second beam there. All right. So we knock it over. Boom. Yeah. So this is fine. It's just that it doesn't... If I shift R, hard restart, it's powered. But if I regular R, after it's not, after it has moved, something about regular R restart. So we need to look at that. Undo. No, I wanted to undo. Or even just an undo does it, right? Which makes sense because regular R restart is an undo. Okay. So the room power must have been a side effect of some other problem. So we just have to figure this out. Gems powering slots has been a butt pain for this whole game. There's something about the way I implemented it initially that could have been better. And as a result, I have to suffer. It's very sad. Is the Oculus project moving along? I cannot comment on that project right now. I will say, way back in the day, I have very fond memories of working on more than one project at once because it's just nice to be able to do that. However, it's less nice when you kind of have to do both of them, right? It's a lot nicer when it's like, oh, here's the main game. And then sometimes I take a break from the actual game that's work and I work on a side project, right? That's pretty fun. But like when it's actually like, oh, I've got these multiple projects that I have to be flipping around and doing all the time, that's less fun. For sure. Okay. I don't really want to rewrite all the handling of this, although we might have to before ship because maybe it's also really slow. But for right now, the problem is the slot. That's really weird because both the gem and the slot have moved. So I would expect that that would invoke like, especially I start here. Our initial state is that it's powered. We move, we run. It is not powered. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. Question. Why doesn't this happen, or does it happen if we're just like this, right? So if we're here, okay, we push it, we reset, it's powered. We push it, we reset, it's powered. We undo, undo. Oh, wait, that was wrong. Hold on, we reset, it's powered. We undo. Oh, no, that just flashed because it was powering down from the undo. Okay, so for some reason it's different on the lily pad. Which is like, maybe we're checking the supported by ID of the gem. And it's on the slot, or on the gem is being supported by the lily and not the slot. I don't know. I feel like that shouldn't be what is happening. All right. We call post undo reevaluate when we reset or undo. So let's look in there. Existence groups. For every gem, we remove and re-add it to the grid. Okay, that shouldn't actually change. That's a low-level operation. It shouldn't detect if the slot is powered. But this probably should. Let's see. Okay, so it seems like What does it seem like? It seems like probably we get here and we run this code, but the slot is not powered, right? Who sets that? A few places. Here, change power slot due to gem. Okay. That's commented out. Oh, evaluate all slot power states. Ugh. Fuck. I hate that I've had so many problems with such a stupid thing. Alright, or here. Newly powered. Update gem beam powering. Oh, gem beam. Gem beam has nothing to do with what we're doing. That's an alcohol. Okay. So it's really this. So that's if we smash a gem. We're not doing that. So gem moved is what does it. So level start, reevaluate, update physical position. Let's just try this. It's stupid. Stupid. Hey, we actually got non-European cores for a significant amount of the compiler that time. All right, we go. All right. Sure looks like it's working better. That said, I'm going to put a comment that this code displeases me. All right. Let's test a hypothesis here. Hold on. Because, like, this is not a very good fix, but here's the thing. Sometimes when you're making a super big game and you've got just a trillion things to do, then sometimes you can't do really good fixes for everything, or it just seems hard, right? So we're going to start both of these in a powered state. I don't know. I don't know what I'm testing for here really exactly, but if I do this, and then I do that, and then I undo. Seems fine. We'll just subject that to further testing. All right. But that's all I really wanted to do tonight. We got our 3 fixes, and it's only been an hour and a half, but you know, it's 10:30 p.m. So maybe it's time to go to bed. Any questions about what we did? We had fun. You know what we could do? We've got a new end of the night game to replace the solitaire. Can you safely watch this later? What would make it unsafe? What would make it unsafe? Nice to hear me speak up about stuff. I'm not sure. What stuff did I speak up about? All right. I'm not even sure what stuff I spoke about. Oh, I should have done up here. It's fine. All right. So we got a lot of ting-tanglers up here. That's not great. This is going to be hard to deal with up here. This, on the other hand, oh, we got him. We got we got our heart. That's what we needed for longevity. That's great. The problem is, if we've got extra hit point, I guess we'll bash our head against a wall. We'll just bash these 7s are making our life hard. Yeah, we'll do that guy. We'll do that guy. I don't like... which way was that rat facing? Was he facing right or left? I'm learning secrets of the game. All right. So, someone check the VOD. Which way was the rat facing? Okay, this doesn't have the 100... but this does, so it's there, right? Which takes care of all these, which means there's only 2 in this whole thing. Got them. All right. And that means this is 2. And then this is 6. And then there's only 2 down here. Wait. I thought there were 2. Oh, it's that 2 up there. Duh. Okay, great. We've got another heart. I wanted XP, not a heart. XP is better right now. So this is a 6. So this 9 is pretty clear. All right. So now we know this is a 5. That's where the mind flayer is. That's a 1. Probably, right? Yeah, otherwise, yeah. Okay. That's a 2. I wanted XP, man. Sucks. We could let's take this 2. See, you got to have high confidence to play this game. This game is not for scaredy cats. All right, 14. That means there's a 7. It's probably here. I don't know. Maybe there. Maybe a 6 and a 1. I don't know. There's some numbers. Let's do this one. The rat was facing to the right. Okay. This is probably a 6 right here. Okay, so this has to be here. Okay. Dude, we got so many frickin' hearts. I want XP. Windows XP. Hey, there's some XP. We can't kill the mind flayer right now, sadly. Sadly. How do I know if it's 5? Because that's the mind flayer who's creating the question marks. And he's 5. He's 5. Okay. So we have 4 hit points to spend. Oh, that's really tough. We might do some wall bashing again. Six. This is 12. Yeah, let's do this at least. 221. All right. That means these add up to 6 here, so we can attack that next. Bro, this wall is annoying. All right. So many hearts, dude. Oh my god. Oh, I should have done the mind flayer. Bro! This game is cucking. And there's a 1 somewhere in here. There. take that. And then, okay, so there's 100 here. That's blank. All right. Good news. If we don't have a good 3 to take down, we could eat these ones. I'll just do this. Okay. Okay. This doesn't really help me that much. That's a 1. $115 next to dragon is free. Oh, you are correct. You are correct. Okay. I'm gonna just take this 3 over here. I don't feel like we're doing that well this round. Like, life has been really hard here. All right. There's 8 around this 123, so we could do that. There's 3 here. Oh, we could have done that instead of punching this 3, but it's fine. There's 6 here in these 2. Oh, wait. 6 plus 3 is 9. Plus 10 is 16. So that's the mimic right there. Which means this is 4. No, because that would add up to 20. What are we doing wrong? Oh, wait. 9. 3 plus 6. There has to be 6 among these 2. Which means this has to be 10, 17. But then this wouldn't be 14. So now I'm really confused. What am I doing wrong? These 2 have to add up to 7. One of them cannot be 10. 16 also hits the 3 above the 9. I see. So, okay, wait. There's 6 here. So this is 7. Why did my brain slow down all of a sudden? This is what happens when it's time to go to bed. This is 7. Which means that's 14, which means this is 0, right? No. Yes. Which means this is 5. And this is 0. So 7, 14, 3, 17. And then 3, 3, 3. So, right? And then this all adds up. So hopefully I didn't make a stupid mistake. Got it. Got it. Okay. Got him. Okay, we actually know something from this. I'll tell you some of the secrets of the game. The level 11 lady is always in a corner, and we know she's not in that corner. How do you like them apples? Okay, so there's only 1 up here. There it is. Still facing right. Okay. Facing left. So Rat King's in one of these 2 columns. This is probably Rat King, guys. No, it was a slime. Dang it. All right. I wanted that to be Rat King. All right, so this is 4. And then there's a 10 total up here. All right. Let's see. What do we want to go after? Let's go up here. Got him. That's kind of a late Rat King, but it's fine. All right. That's great. Okay, we know level 11 is not in this corner or this corner. So next time we level up, we just tag that corner right there. Because I am an expert at the game. These things I tell you will not be wrong. All right, maybe we just do the 4 here, or let's just uncover more. Maybe we do these just to get territory. I don't usually do Rat King Greed like this. I'm not sure if it's a good idea, but all right, we haven't leveled up yet, sadly. That's why I wanted, see, if we had been able to get some more XP sooner, we could just tag that 11 right there. Okay, so this is 8 right here, right? Which means this is empty. Lol. All right. None of these hearts really help us. Up left of the 7 in the bottom left is free. The 7 in the... So this is 7 from touching these two. Right. So this is 7 from touching these two. This can't be... By the way, that's 100. Because that's 7. So that's free. This is probably also free, right? Wait, no, not that one. That one. Oh, we almost died. We almost died. Yeah, this is a 5. It's probably a slime. I think it has to be a slime. So that's a 5. That's free. Wall! Dang it, dude, I want XP. I want XPs. So this is a 5, which means this is free. All right, which means all these add up to 3. All right, well. Sad. I think we're still doing fine, but that's our 3. All right, so this is... These add to 5. We can just do these right now. That's 5. Right. All right. Okay, hold on. So this does not have 100, this 12, but this does. So the 100 has to be here. One of them. And these have to add to 7, which we could just do those right now. Wait, no, they can't. No, this is the 7. Easy clap. Easy clap. All right. This is a 5. This is a 10. So that's the mimic right there. These add up to 8 because of 109, right? And then 8 plus 5 is 13, so that's free. Okay, wait. We messed up. Abort mission. Oh, because this 20, I wasn't counting the 7. It's a 3. Which makes that a 4. Which makes this a 2. That's also wrong. What am I doing, guys? My brain is not functioning. I wish you could do this faster. 5, 10, 17, 20. Maybe these are wrong. No, because 12 is 5 plus 7. 12 is 5, 5, 2. It's 5, 10, 17, 20. 5, 8, 12, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's 4. It's 4. All right. So that's fine. I mathed wrong for a second there. So what do we want to do? We want more hidden territory, but a lot of these are still dangerous. We could kill the Mind Flayer and some mouses. All right. So these add to 6, but it's 5s. So there's a 5 somewhere. That's dangerous. Let's do this. I don't really like eating all the 1s. I'll tell you right now, but... All right, so... 3, 6, 9, 11. Bam. Got her. All right. Easy clap. Such an easy clap, guys. All right. Easy game, easy game. That's how you play this game. Oh, this one. Yeah. Okay, do you want to see an awesome move, guys? What do you think happens when I click on this square right here where my cursor is? This is a test. What is in that square? How many hit points does it have? You have 10 seconds to answer. I hope I'm not wrong. This will be embarrassing. Empty? No, it's not empty. Freedom? Slime Lady, that is the correct answer. What a cool game, right? Right? Okay. So we got Slime Lady. Oh, we never took this. All right, so this is 4, and that's clear. And these add up to 8 somehow. We could just do these. They've got to be 4 and 4 or 6 and 2 or 5 and 3. I don't know. 4 and 4. All right. So these add up to 10, but they're not 5. So again, it's like a 6-4 kind of thing. This is empty. Why does it make that noise sometimes? I don't know what that noise is. All right. So we don't know these squares, but we don't honestly care that much. So we're basically in the wind down phase here. Except we haven't got the leprechaun and he's in one of these squares, I think. Right? We haven't seen him. And there's only 2 squares left. So wait, one of these has to be the mimic. And it's this one. Got him. Got him. All right. So at this point, I usually just start with the high numbers and go down, right? Because we're just getting XP from fighting dudes. And this tends to do it. I'll do another 8. Do another 5. Level up. Do an 8. Do a 6. I'm not sure that I like where we're at in terms of number of hearts and all. Oh, maybe it's fine. I don't know. I'll do an 8. I'll do a 6. We'll level up. We officially can win now. All we have to do is click on the middle square and we win. Oh, you know, why would we leave the mimic around, by the way? Let's not do that. Get rid of him. Get another 5. All right, we'll eat one of these. And then 8. And then 7. And then we're out of 8s. 7 is now the highest. We got 6s anywhere? 6. 3. 5. 4. 4. 3. 4. 4. 4. 3. 2. 4. Oh, there's a 5. I left a 5, dude. All right, this is our last heart. But we're going to be able to heal again from the wall. This was a rough game. We didn't do that well. We got the max score, but we didn't get it as comfortably. Let's do one more. Hello from Boulder, Colorado. Well, hello. I hope you're very warm today. It's very cold in Boulder, Colorado this week. I think that's probably the Mind Flayer, although it could be that. I don't know. I don't know, dude. So this 4 touches 2 mice already. So I can go out here because there's only 2 more points. There's one. There's one. There we go. And then mind flayers here. Look how wimpy our guy is. We gotta get going. We could just do the mind flayer right now. The thing is, it doesn't give us that much territory. Oh, also Rat King is like way on this side of the board. We could do that. Okay. Oh, this is empty down here. See the 8, 6, 7, 8? Why didn't I just do that? Easy clap. Easy clap. Seems like you should have put this on Steam for like $5. Yeah, I mean, I think it's programmed in JavaScript, right? Or something, but you could still put that on Steam. I would have sold. This is a fun enough game to sell. Yeah, global warming is making it really, really rough this winter, you know. It's like, really? Oh. Wait, really? I guess he's here. All right. So this is the Mind Flayer position right here. And I do want to get rid of him, but we don't have enough hit points, so... We'll do it now, though. No, it's not! What? Oh, it's here. Good thing I didn't die. Orange, you glad I didn't die? All right. Okay, this is only touching a 1 somewhere. Got him. Got him. Got him. All right, so I want to find the Rat King. That wasn't the Rat King. See, the Rat King is in the left 3 columns somewhere, so I'm kind of tempted to click on any 5s. That wasn't him. Dang it. Okay. That's a 3. So there's only 3 in this entire column here. Rat Holio, Bat Holio, Wall Holio. That's a 5. That's a 105, so that's open. And then this is 100, right? Because it doesn't touch the 18. And that means this is the Mimic. Wait, no, that doesn't mean that. What am I talking about? Because there could be stuff over here. Never mind. That was me getting too excited. The Mimic could be there. Could also actually be here. Could be neither. Okay, so all this is bounded by 5. Although we want to see... Got him. Got him. See, I'm getting good at this game. That's all I'm saying. You're stuck with handling state. Don't just fuck using data-oriented design. If it's confusing you and slowing you down, don't bother. Like, yes, do data-oriented design in the sense that like you're not doing big object hierarchies or whatever. But just like make your game work. Represent your player state or enemy AI in a good way that's relatively flat and just make your game work, okay? Don't worry about trying to be Mike Acton or something. It's not worth it. It is not worth it. You still haven't received a notification? Project 2025 will make your Twitch notifications show up. All right. We're kind of in a weird state because we only have one heart. Now we have no hearts. But, okay, this could be 11-1 here. Huh. Could be. Could be. Okay, so wait, we know the hundreds here. I wish I could just press X on the square. Like, dude, please patch the game, please. Does like shift right? No, it's just regular right click. All right. So this is bounded by 5 and this is bounded by 7. Wait, this is 5. No, I don't know. Let's not worry about it. All right, we found the 5. And that's a 2. And then that's a thing. And then like that. We could just do that 4 right now. Or we could do these up here. Got him. All right. Cool. Okay. We're, you know, I don't know if we're doing well. We're just kind of, let's get into this corner over here. Okay, this can't be 11. Because 11 plus 7 is too much for 16. So, it could be there. It's there. She's there. All right. All right. We have found the lady again. We have found her before we got to that level, which is, I guess, when you want to do it. Now, I wish we could find Leprechaun Man. Right? Because it's not in the 11 zone. And that's the only one left. Okay. So oh, this one. Do we know? Okay, so this 4, right, so it has to be here. Actually, these are both clear because we know the 4. Lol. Hey, that's great. Saved us a heart for now. Okay, this has to be right to 101, 117. All right. Yeah, so now as soon as we level up, we can smack her in the corner there. 6. We could do just 4 here and 2 here. I don't see anything better than that. And the reason we do that is because we can level up yet again. I mean, it also... I lost. No, we were doing great. I must have miscounted with my tired brain. We lost. All right, one more. We got to win. We got to win. This is a fun game. Like, I've sort of topped out of the game. Like, I always win unless I make a stupid mistake, but I'm still having fun playing it. So, you know. All right. This is a little hard because we don't... we have a lot of high point items here that's hard to deal with. All right, that was really stupid. All right, so Mind Flayer is here. Got him. All right. So, 7. This is really rough over here. We did. All right. I just, we invested so much in hitting that wall. It's like, might as well. All right. All right. Let's go through the 2. So there's max 3 out here. Got him. Got him. I mean, I guess I'm going to bash a wall again. All right. So we have 8. So we could do both of these 4s. And that's kind of rough, but what else are you going to do here? Well, we could do this. We got Rat King info. Got more Rat King info. Got more Rat King info. All right. And then this 5 is already touching a 4, so we know we can hit anything in both of these. Oh, more Rat King info, dude. All right. So, all right. Take that. She's not in this corner. That's the Mimic. This is empty. That's got that. And this has 100 and a 1, but we don't know in which order unless we do the 5. 5 could be rat king. I don't... Got him. All right. I don't know if it's always the left rightmost facing guy. The leftmost right facing guy, the rightmost left facing guy. Or we'll try to learn. Left of dragon is 100. You're right. All right. So down here, this max is at 3. Oh, dude, I didn't look at how many hit points I had when I clicked on that. I imagined I had a lot of hit points, and I was like, oh, it's only 3. So I very seriously could have died right there. That's how little attention I was paying. Okay. Yeah, maybe I just always know. So this tops out at 6. There's 3 of it. All right. Okay. She can't be here because this is already 2. So there's no 11 here. So she's in one of these 2. Ugh, that's unlucky. All right. I'm just going to eat all the rats. All right, well, that's some information of some kind. Okay, now what do we do? I want to get into these corners. Well, okay, this tops out at 6. Also, we have Mind Flayer here or here, but let's... Okay, well, that... I think that tells us... Actually, yeah, it's not here because that wouldn't be 13, so he's there. Do we take him out? Yeah. All right, take him out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Unfortunately, we can't safely go here yet. So this is maxes out at 8, which is pretty good. We'll do... Okay, so, guys, I don't think she's down here either. I think she has to be here. The reason I don't think she's down here is because Slimeomancer lady is somewhere. I guess, okay, Slimeomancer lady could be here. If she's not there, she can't be here because these are too low and these would preclude the 100. So she would have to be in the here. So she's either there or there. We've pinned her down at 2 locations. All right, she's not in this corner. So we therefore know she is in that corner, which means, okay, guys, do we do the play here? The play that may kill me if I'm being stupid? If she's in this corner, Slimeomancer lady can't be here because she has to be surrounded by slimes, right? She can't be here because that would touch 107. She has to be there. Gamer. Gamer. Okay, so this 19 has 16 already discovered. So there's only 3 points in this entire outer ring. There it is. All right. That was an epic snipe, dude. That might have been my best play in this whole game ever. All right. So this has at most 4, and I have 4. So, wait. No, it's got 8. This 16, oh, my brain is so tired. I almost died right there, guys. Okay. What do we do? Oh, by the way, this 201, that's known. That's 101, so this is 2. It's like that, right? Wait, no, that's wrong. We screwed up. How do I know we screwed up? Because we killed Rat King. And we got all the slimes. And that's not a Mind Flayer. And those are all the 5 possibilities, right? It's not a slime. It's not that guy. It's not Rat King, right? Or did we not get Rat King? No, we did, because that's how we know what these guys are. So wait, that can't be 5. Oh, the 3, I did this again. I didn't see this 2, and I was like, oh, it has to be 103. No, this is blank. Which means this is 7. All right, let's not, die. So these add to 3 down here. Why does it make that noise? Whoops. They don't add to 3. What am I talking about? They add to 2. They add to 2. Well, let's just eat some monsters. still can't get her. We're at 10. We're at 10 out of 11. Okay. The bomb has to be in the middle because this is only one. This is 2. So these add to 21, so that's open. Which means this is also open because it's 5, right? Boom. Okay. 103 is complete. Up here? Yeah. Okay, we did that. We did that. So this adds up to 8 because of this 13. Oh, we already knew it added up to 8 from that side. All right. Okay. This is scary down here. I wish I had eaten that heart. We kind of can't go down here unless we eat the heart or break the wall. I know the 3 is at the top. What? What? I don't know which one of these is the bomb. You watched the Elon salute video? Well, you probably watched... Oh, man. Fuck. We got fucked. Oh, I didn't see... I should have fought the rat. Because then we would have been able to level up. Oh, no. No. All right. Sad. All right. It's fine. We're just trying to be good at the game, that's all. Yeah, I screwed that up. Okay. Oh, dude, we already had a broken wall as well. Oh, I probably would have got XP if I clicked on... Well, no, because that one... That one's only phase 1 break. I don't know if that's how it works. Okay. Anyway, we're fine. We've got 12 HPs and we've explored the map. We haven't found the little goblin man, and he's in here somewhere. Boom. All right, so yeah, we're doing great. If I don't misclick, we'll be fine. It's just I wasn't totally optimal. All right. Bruh. Gotta use a heart. All right. Like, we're just a little bit off, man. Ugh. All right. Well, let's get this guy. Let's not leave that laying around. All right. Oh, we never took the... Oh, no! That was sitting there the whole time. We would have leveled. I mean, we won. It's fine. We won. We just didn't super optimal one. All right. It's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, now we're only one off, dude. Bro. All right. Wow, we didn't even get all the monsters. That's how sad sack we are. But we won. Not great win, but we won. All right. Thank you, everybody. Dude, how long have you been on the internet? You realize you can see photos and videos of literally every politician so-called doing a Nazi salute. Like, it's so stupid. It's so stupid. All right. Thanks, everybody. Good night. Just look on Twitter, search on Twitter for this, and you'll see people posting these to show how ridiculous it is. All right, thanks everyone. See you later.